see you can win. No, a video.
No, I want to see that first. Do it.
Oh.
I thought it was talking.
It does. There's like a million buttons on there. You just gotta learn how to use it.
Oh no.
See? Oh, it's gonna shoot. Whoa!
Oh!
This shit is dangerous. Ow! I'm suing you. Isn't that cool?
Oh.
Oh no, that's
Tony,
really
it's
bad
out of control.
robot.
It's shooting me in the brain. Ow! The fucking thing shot me in the eye. I swear to God. That was awesome. That's nice toy you got there.
Oh, that was cool.
Shot me right in the corner.
Yeah, how many do they have of those?
Alright,
How
next.
many
Don't have to shoot me in
That's
the
all
eye.
he can do? Come
He can
on.
move his head.
That didn't hurt, but it got me right in the eye. What a shot that was. A good
Oh
shot.
god.
Oh, great. What's it got, flames now? Right, babe?
I'm scared.
Oh, he doesn't have any more. He ran out. Oh, that's how many he has. I have to put it back in his mouth. And then he just...
Come on.
Alright, hold on. I need to take a cigarette break.